Hey guys, I just got this product from Firmoo. Before I talk about it, I would love us to unbox it together. Firmooglasses are very affordable and stylish. You can get them with or without prescription. This particular one has an anti-protective film to better protect the eyes. It is safe for computer use, phone screen, TV watching. It has lightweight and it is durable. Firmoo offers a variety of glasses in different styles, including women's glasses, men's glasses, kids' glasses, sunglasses, the block blue light glasses, and progressives. The style number for this particular glasses I'm putting on is on your screen. This cost about $35 plus, and my shopping experience was very great. I got this product within 7 to 14 days of ordering it. So like I said before, they offer varieties of glasses, including their prices. So if you want to order yours, kindly check the link and the 50% off code in the description box. Here is another 50% off frames, which I'll also be putting the code in the description box. So happy shopping. Honestly, I'm feeling like a professional right now. Tell me what you think about these glasses. Thanks so much for watching. Bye. Do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel.